Hey, what's going on, guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something new and exciting that we're going to be doing. We are going to be making bacon wrapped shrimp jalapeno poppers, and to go with it, we're also going to be doing a cilantro lime dipping sauce. You guys stay tuned, and I'll show you how we get these jalapeno poppers made up. Let me show you how we get these jalapeno poppers ready. We start off with a fresh jalapeno, getting the seeds and the membranes out. Get our shrimp, cut this tail off. You can also pull the tail off if you like, but you know, I decided to cut it off, and that worked for me. Next thing you do is just take your piece of bacon and wrap it around the jalapeno and the shrimp, and you're good to go. Make sure you make more than enough for other people, by the way. Let's go ahead and get this show started, guys. But before we get these jalapeno poppers in there, I am gonna douse them down with a little bit of lime. I like lime on shrimp. And that's what these jalapenos are stuffed with. They got some shrimp in it and some bacon. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna be using our JP-licious rub. Sprinkle a little bit of this bad boy on here, and now they're ready for the grill. There we go. Got them lined up almost like if they're gonna play some football. But we're gonna close this lid, and it shouldn't take these poppers too long. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, maybe 20, 25, maybe even 30 minutes. We gotta monitor the bacon. Once the bacon is nice and cooked and crispy, you know, then we'll be ready. The shrimp doesn't take long to cook. We're gonna monitor the temperature. Once it gets up to about maybe 300, we're gonna close this vent. That way it doesn't get over 400. So let's take a look at these jalapeno poppers. They've gotta be getting close. In addition to what we're gonna do with these jalapeno poppers stuffed with shrimp and wrapped with bacon, we are gonna dunk these jalapeno poppers in our JP Caliente sauce. Let me show you how we get it done. Oh wow, those things look beautiful. Would you guys take a look at that? That is absolutely marvelous. Let me go ahead and take some out, and we're gonna dunk them and put them right back in. These jalapeno poppers are done, guys. They've come out absolutely beautiful. They've taken on a really nice, beautiful mahogany, a dark mahogany color, and I can't wait. I gotta take a bite into this and see what this cilantro lime dipping sauce is all about with it. So I'm gonna pick one right here, this one. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this dipping sauce right on there, and let's see what this jalapeno popper is all about. They might be really hot. Ooh. Wow, that's like got a lot of refreshing taste to it. Here we go. There's a party going on here. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely delicious. The bacon wrapped shrimp and the jalapeno, nice and toasty, and that cilantro lime dipping sauce, it is out of this world, guys. We used our JP-licious rub, and we used our JP Caliente sauce, you know, to dunk them in and get them, I don't know, sauced over. But they are absolutely delicious. I gotta get some more shrimp on here, you know, so I can feed the family. But besides that, guys, I tell you what, I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos. There's a lot of videos out there, and you know, you can tune in to any video that you want, you know, and there's great videos out there. I just want to say I appreciate every single one of you guys that tunes in to watch my videos, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Feel free to share this video hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber yet, click that link over there and hit that subscribe button for me. But besides that, we're done. I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you on the next cookout.